from?
What this yogic law sees is, from our own experience, one thing that I went to two aspects and we skipped this. It is, one is the gross creation, which is the physical. Next is the subtler thing, which is known as Vijnanamaya Kosha, because it's a special kind of knowledge that cannot be derived through intellect. And the third one is called Shunya, which is total emptiness, and the next one is referred to as Shiva. When I say Shiva, don't imagine the calendar figure you've always seen. When we say Shiva, what it means, that which is not. So they say Shiva is a cosmic man lying down across the cosmos, and he is nothing. He is not physical matter, he is nothing, but he is opaque. And then Shakti came and she danced around, a certain level of energy danced around. When she danced around, today modern science is saying that there are virtual protons and neutrons in vacuum spaces, and whenever electromagnetic forces are applied, they organize themselves into elliptical order. So when Shakti danced around, he got irritated and he woke up. And anybody in deep slumber, if they're woken up, they will get angry. So he got angry and he roared. So we said he is a Rudra. Rudra means a roarer. I was in conversation with Paul Steinhardt, who wrote that endless universe thing. Today scientists are believing that universe is endless, as we've been saying. So I asked him, is it just one bang? He was simulating these bangs on the computer and he was showing in Davos. And I met him there and we had a long discussion. I asked him, are you sure it's only one bang? He said, there's no guarantee, there could have been many. So if there are many bangs, if bangs happen together, could you call it a roar? You take an automobile engine, it is only going bang bang, but if you throttle up, it's a roar. So he roared. When he roared, the yoga says, he spat out galaxies. And he spat out galaxies which are not reality, they say. They are non-material galaxies. Then Shakti touched Shiva. When she touched Shiva, she gathered inertia. Till then she was ecstatic and uncontrollable, but she touched him and she gathered inertia. Can you gather inertia if you did not have mass? So she did not have mass till then, she touched him and she gathered mass and she gathered inertia, so she became more stable, which is what the creation is today. This is the yogic thing which has been around for 15,000 years.
From these Vedas.
Does that match with your scientific view of how creation happens?
There's one point of
That's
view.
one particular theory, highly speculative end of physics.
Shall I end with one shloka from the Veda? Iyam visrishtir yata ababhuva yadi va dadhe yadi vana yo asya adyaksha parame vyoman so anga veda yadi va na veda. It is 6,000 years old from the Rig Veda. Whence all creation had its origin, he, whether he fashioned it or whether he did not, he who surveys it all from the highest heaven, he knows, or maybe even he does not know.
One thing that